I'm Kathy Sturgeon, and I'm one of the instructors for Project Lead the Way. I also serve as the Dean of Math Sciences and Health Professions. My background is in physics, and I've known of Project Lead the Way actually the entire 20 years that I've been at Danville Area Community College. I think the type of student that should be considering Project Lead the Way is anyone who might have curiosity about engineering and whether they would consider it as a career or not, because I think Project Lead the Way is an excellent way to get some background information that you would need to be an engineer that would help you to succeed in the future. So if you want to be an engineer, then definitely Project Lead the Way. But if you're not sure and you don't want to commit to a heavy traditional type of engineering course, then Project Lead the Way is a great way to get involved, get your hands on some things, and then make the determination whether or not engineering is a good fit or not. So anybody who loves science, anybody that loves mathematics, particularly anyone who loves to take apart appliances at home or play with Legos or construct things. Artists oftentimes make great engineers, and there is no limiting boundary on who should be interested in this particular program.